If I lost everything today, no job, no money, no connections, this is exactly how I'd make my first $1,000 online. Step by step. And trust me, if you skip even one part of this, you might end up wasting months with zero results, because most people do it wrong. But if you stay with me for just 10 minutes, you'll walk away with a real action plan, one that's working for thousands of people right now, in 2025. But here's the catch. Only 5% of people actually take action. The rest? They just keep watching videos and never start. So, are you going to be part of the 5% who actually make money? Let's go. Look, if you're here thinking you need to take surveys, watch ads, or click some shady links to make money, stop. That's not how real money is made online. You need a model that, 1, pays high ticket or is scalable, 2, doesn't take years to see results, 3, can be done from anywhere in the US or the world. So here's the model I pick. Freelancing plus AI automation. Why? Because companies are paying big bucks for digital services, and AI makes it 10 times easier. And before you say, but I have no skills. Hold up. You don't need experience. You just need to learn how to use the tools. And I'll show you exactly where to start, alright? Let's break this down. The goal is $1,000 fast, right? $1,000 equals 5 clients paying $200 each or 10 clients paying $100 each. And the fastest way to do this? Selling content creation, copywriting, or social media services, even if you're a complete beginner. With tools like ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, and Fiverr to find clients, you can start earning this week. But hold on. Where do you find these clients? This is where most people give up, and that's a huge mistake. Most people sit around waiting for clients to come to them. Big mistake. Instead, here's what I do today. 1. Go to Facebook groups and LinkedIn and find business owners struggling with marketing. 2. DM them, hey, I saw your business and I noticed a quick fix that could boost your engagement. I can help 100% risk-free. Want me to show you? 3. Offer them a free sample made with AI so they see your value instantly. This method works like crazy because it removes all risk for the client. And guess what? Once they see the results, they pay. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you land your first client, don't stop. Rinse and repeat. Here's the 3-step growth hack to hit $1,000 fast. 1. Deliver insane results and get 5-star reviews. 2. Charge higher rates, $300 to $500 per project. 3. Offer monthly services so you get paid every month. Imagine having 3 clients paying you $500 per month. That's $1,500 in recurring income without working extra hours. So here's the real question. Are you going to watch this video and do nothing? Or are you going to be part of the 5% who actually make money online? Comment I'm in if you're ready to start. And if you want me to personally walk you through this, drop a fire emoji in the comments. I'll be reading them all. And if you like this, check out this next video where I break down the best online income streams for 2025.